Hello everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to reactivate your DoorDash Dasher account. First, open your web browser on your phone or computer and search for DoorDash Dasher reactivation. Click on the first article that says how to appeal the deactivation of a Dasher account. Once you're on the page, tap the link to open the deactivation appeal form. Choose your preferred language, usually English, and then type in the email address linked to your Dasher account. Next, check the reason why your account was deactivated. You can find this in the email DoorDash sent to you. Select the correct reason in the form and tap Next. You'll then be asked for your first name, last name, and phone number. Provide as much detail as you can and upload any evidence or proof that supports your appeal, like screenshot or messages. Finally, hit submit and wait for an email response from DoorDash, which usually comes within 1 to 2 business days. And that's it. That's how to reactivate your DoorDash Dasher account. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.